back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Yeah, so today I want to teach you how to play the song Excellent. Yeah, just that song. So I don't want to bore you. So let's just let's get to the keys and see what we have. Right. So today, I'll show you the basic way of playing the song first, so that you understand what I want to. Because I'm going to show you how to add some tritones to the song, but I'll show you the basic ways first, so that everybody, even if a beginner is watching this video, they'll be able to flow along. So we're going to be in the key of F sharp, which is a F sharp, A flat, B flat, B, D flat, E flat, F, and F sharp. Sorry for the name calling. Yeah. So all right. So the song goes, how excellent is your name, oh Lord. Then before it goes to 6, then 2, then 5, then it starts again, how excellent. So this is your 1, your 2, your 3, your 4, your 5, your 6, your 7, your 1. That's what we call a number system, right? Okay, you've not clicked the subscribe button and you are watching. Abba now. Oh yeah, click the subscribe button. Hey, click it. Have you done it? Okay, so let's go. We are on the same page now, so that you get notifications for other videos. Yeah. Okay, so because I post tutorial every day on this channel. So one more time, I'll show you the progression. It goes, how excellent is your name, oh Lord. So a beginner will play something like this. Chad, excellent is your name, oh Lord. Then so. Yeah, if you didn't get that, go over that again. So now let's take things forward. So now, do you know you can play this like this? Excellent is your name, oh Lord. Yeah. So let me show you that. So you to play like this, I'll suggest you should have a basis somehow. Yeah, because if you notice, I'm playing chords with both left and right hands. So, and you won't be able to hear the roots again. So you need a basis that's holding, how excellent is your name, oh Lord. Why we do what we are going to do? So let me show you what we are going to do. We're going to do excellent. After this one chord, we'll play this triton, which is on left you have a G and D flat. On right we have a B major, second inversion. So the that's a F sharp, B and E. Then so we have a excellent. So this triton there, we'll do this chord, B major 7 on the left, then F sharp on the right. Then we'll do this triton again. This is A and E flats on the left. We have a A flat, D flat, and F on the right. Then to this chord. Whoo! This is serious. This is on 3. So you see that you need a basis, because you can't even hear the 3. It's sounding as if it's not on key. So the third chord we have a D flat major 7 and then A flat on our right. So together it goes, excellent is your name, oh Lord. Then you go to your lovely song, and you do the same thing. How excellent is your, then I think the song goes to name, oh, then oh Lord, it goes to 6. 6 you have a E flat on the left, F sharp major 7 on the right. Then you bend that to 2. Your root change to 2, that which is A flat in the key of F sharp. Then you just take the same F sharp major 7, you just flatten the 5 for 2, then 5. You do E major 7. So do mi. Yeah, this is E major 7. Do mi so ti. Second inversion. The same thing, you flatten the 5 also here. So how excellent. So it goes together. The song goes like this. How excellent is your name, oh Lord. Yeah, so then how excellent is your. Then you go to 5. Name, oh. Then you go 6 2 5 1. How excellent is your name, son. How 3 is your name. 6. How excellent is your name. 6. 5. Oh Lord, you do 6, 2, 5, 1 again. How excellent is your name. How excellent is your name. So 3, excellent is your 6. How excellent is your name. Oh Lord. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and watch out for more videos tomorrow. God bless you.